discuss the type of organized recreation. Government-led recreation activity could include organized sport league, community event and park at beaches at potential development new recreation areas like curving or hiking will. Special example like intramural sport fest. School in Mansalang may organize inter-school competition to encourage physical activity and promote social interaction. And park and beaches, government managed park and beaches offer opportunity and for swimming, walking, and picnic and enjoying natural environment. It's a voluntary non-profit organization entity where individuals come together, willingness or to pursue common objective for public benefits. Without profit being the primary goal, the organization often part of third sector. Unpaid work of their members and staff. They can range from small local group to large professional agencies and are characteristic by their dedication to social purposes. And the next one is a private membership organization. It's a group or association that operated under service, product, or benefits. Unlike public entities, this membership bases restricting access to those who are approved as members. They can be various forms such as professional association, trade union, social clubs, or health cooperative. Private membership organizations often have a flexibility in structuring their operation and they are not bound by the same legal framework as public businesses. And the next one is commercial recreation enterprise. Are businesses that provide recreational activities include hotel, resort, and fitness club, amusement parks, and various entertainment venues. The core concept that these businesses offer leisure-related public with the goal of making a profit from their operation. Then the next one is employee creation program, also known as wellness program, as initiatives that employers implement of improve the overall well-being program focus on both physical and mental health, aiming to create a healthier and more engaged workplace. Common elements include witness calendar health, screening mental health, support and state management workshops. And the next one is armed force recreation. Our resort-style hotel at recreational facilities owned by the U.S. Department of Defense, providing lodging, dining, and recreation for U.S. military, serving member retirees and other authorities personnel. This centered of a range of amenities and activities, allowing military personnel to relax and enjoy their time off. And the next one is campus recreation. Can help you get plugged into campus life. We are help you to connect socially challenge of your physical and provide educational opportunities. So whenever you are looking for join a team or sometime in the great order with something for you. And the next one is therapeutic recreation. Also known as recreation therapy is a healthcare professional that use recreation and leisure activities to improve the enhance physical, cognitive, emotional, and social well-being. It's a systematic process that utilities recreation and other activities-based intervention to address the need of individual with illness or disability condition, aiming for physical health recovery and well-being.
Hi ma'am, my name is Iris Naza Morales from BSHM 1-3. My topic for today is about the two major recreation service components, and the another one is about the sports popular recreation. So first is the two major recreation service components. In addition to the 8 types of organized recreation, sports and tourism represent major areas of recreational programming and constitute powerful economic forces through their attractions for people of every age and background. The two major of the recreation service is the sports and the tourism. So sports is this component includes organized sports, programs, events, and activities that cater to people of all ages and background. Sports recreation service might involve team sports like soccer, basketball, and for individual sports is tennis, swimming, and fitness programs, yoga, aerobics. For tourism naman po, this component encompasses travel and leisure activities that people engage in for recreation and enjoyment. Tourism recreation service might involve cultural tourism like visiting museum, historical sites, adventure tourism, hiking, skiing, sport tourism, attending sports event, participants in sports activities while traveling. Both sports and tourism are significant areas of recreational programming. They attract people from diverse age groups and backgrounds. Sport tourism is a growing field that links sports and tourism. There's a strong overlap between sport tourism and outdoor recreation. Both sport and tourism have a substantial economic impact due to their ability to attract large numbers of people. They generate revenue through various channels such as event tickets, merchandise, and travel services. By understanding the two major recreation service components, organizations and businesses can develop target programs and services that cater to the diverse needs and interests of their audience. The second topic is sports are popular recreation. Sports are major areas recreation involved of all the types of recreational involved sports. Command the highest degree of personal interest and emotional involved both for those who participate actively in them and those who are parts of a big number of fans of school, college, and professional teams. Sports are generally defined as physical activities demanding execution and skill involving competition, carried on with both formal rules and general standards of etiquette and fair play. Sports activities in terms of both participation and spectator involvement represent key recreation interests from most youth and adults. Aside from amateur, school and college sports, there are professional sports which have become big businesses. Sports are one of the most popular forms of recreation, attracting both active participants and large audiences. Whether at the school, college, or professional level, sports generate significant personal interest and emotional involvement. This passion is shared only by those who play but also by fans who support their favorite teams and athletes. Sports are defined as physical activities that require exertion and skill involving competition and are governed by formal rules as well as general standards of etiquette and fair play. These activities are not only a means of physical fitness, but also a major source of entertainment and community engagement. The popularity of sport extends to both amateur and professional levels. School and college sports foster community spirit and personal development, while professional sports have evolved into major industries, contributing to economic growth and cultural identity. Sports therefore serve as a vital aspect of recreation, enriching both individual lives and society as a whole.
Tourism, a major recreation service component. Tourism is a second major area of diverse recreational involvement. Several major elements in the tourism enterprise which are closely linked to the growth of tourism as a form of recreation are the theme parks, water parks, fun centers, and sports tourism. Theme parks. Theme parks usually concentrate on one dominant theme, which may be historical, cultural, or geographical. An example of a theme park with a single theme is the Marine Zoological Sea World Park. Other parks focus on multiple themes like the Great America in California, 100-acre family entertainment center divided into 5 themes: Hometown Square, Yukon Territory, Yankee Harbor, Country Fair, and Orleans Place. The most popular theme park is Disneyland in Anaheim, California, which was built by the late Walt Disney around the Team Disney character.
Water parks. The specialized types of theme park are the water parks. They feature wave pools, slides, yacht shows, and other forms of water-based play and entertainment. Water parks are usually part of a larger theme park's operations. For example, Universal Islands of Adventure, the Jurassic Park River Adventure, Bridge Rat Barges, and Poseidon's Fury offer either whirling and step whitewater rides and sluice falls or swirling vortexes that sprays rides thoroughly. Each year, dozens of new parks have been opened with the latest technology. Water parks are a specialized type of theme parks that features water-based attractions for play and entertainment. They often include wave pools, slides, yachts, and shows. Many water parks operate as part of larger theme parks offering a diverse range of activity. Example, Universal Islands of Adventure. It features water rides alongside other attractions, and Jurassic Park River Adventure, a water ride themed around the Jurassic Park franchise, and Poseidon's Fury, a water-based show incorporating special effects. New water parks are constantly being developed, incorporating the latest technology to enhance the visitor experience. This includes advancements in slides, design, wave pools, technology, and special effects.
Sport tourism. Sport tourism is when people travel to another place to watch or to join sports activity. The purpose of sport tourism is to participate directly in the form of sport or attend sport event as a spectator. Today, both team and spectator travel to the game, especially with championship, like boxing, golf, and tennis event, and even sports like softball, soccer, volleyball, and more. The Olympic is the biggest sports event. It attracts millions of spectators and generates of millions of dollars in revenue. Sport tourism is not only promote physical activity and cultural exchange, but also boost the economy and generating significant income. As a global interest, the sport is continues to grow. Sport tourism will remain important and most powerful force in the travel and tourism industry.